area here, I'm going to turn into my oil painting area. So this unit's got to come out. I'm going to fix an easel up here, get some lights in, and then I can have this area to do my oil painting.